What if you could create intricate, stunning crochet pieces that look complex but are actually very simple to learn? Mosaic Crochet completely changed the way that I crochet, and it opened up a world of creativity that I didn't even know existed. Hi, I'm Erin, the designer and educator behind Juniper Oakes. I actually learned to crochet from my mom when I was just a kid, and since then, I've honestly never put my hook down. Crochet has always been a creative outlet for me, something calming, grounding, and exceptionally fulfilling. But when I learned Mosaic Crochet, everything clicked for me in a whole new way. Suddenly, I could create bold designs, geometric patterns, and detailed colorwork, all using simple stitches. Mosaic Crochet makes it possible to create pieces that look incredibly impressive without using complicated techniques. Through Juniper Oakes, I design patterns and create tutorials that help crocheters gain confidence in Mosaic Crochet step by step. I love breaking things down in a way that feels approachable, so even if Mosaic looks intimidating at first, you can learn it faster than you think. My goal is to make you feel proud of what you create and maybe even surprise yourself with what you're capable of. One of my favorite parts about crochet is the community that comes with it. Over the years, I've met so many wonderful friends through this craft, people who encourage each other, share ideas, and celebrate with each finished project. Crochet might start as a hobby, but it develops into connection, creativity, and confidence. Here on my channel, I'll be sharing Mosaic Crochet tutorials that will help you learn the technique, understand reading charts, and help you create pieces that you truly love. I am so glad that you're here. Let's create something amazing together. Happy crocheting!